I have a Samsung refrigerator model RF23HTEDBSR. The ice maker freezes up almost every 2 weeks. I had repair people out a year ago and they replaced the ice maker and sealed around the ice maker. The problem continues to happen. The refrigerator is about 4 years old and off warranty. They have also adjusted the water intake hose in the back. Is there anything else I can try in order to fix this problem?
Hi, my name is Em, your personal HVAC/high expert on JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please bear with my responses, there can sometimes be a small delay. Hope you are doing well today. I hate to say it, but Samsung is notorious for this issue. A while back there was a class action lawsuit. Did the tech verify the defrost components were all working properly? If so, sealing around the ice maker is just about all you can do. Let me know your further questions.
I'm not sure how or if he checked the defrost components. I know he put it in forced defrost mode. I know several people who have had this problem and have just given up and quit using the ice maker. I just keep defrosting it every 2 or 3 weeks. I was hoping there may have been something new that may help. My next step is to seal around the hoses in the back and reseal around the ice maker box again.
Right. You want to limit the amount of air circulating around the ice maker or creeping in through cracks. Have you tried contacting Samsung to check for recalls?
Actually, I bugged Samsung so much that they prorated the refrigerator and gave me $1,600 to agree not to join class action lawsuit. I had to send them my serial number sticker from refrigerator. It would cost over $3,000 to replace with similar model, so I keep trying to fix it. Is there a reason you have to seal it with the expensive Samsung silicone sealant? Or can I use the cheaper RTV4500 sealant which is rated for food use?
You can use any silicone sealant as long as it's food safe.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.